Let's talk about what is a publicity agency or a publicist.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
And these are people who will go out and they will do work to get publicity on your behalf for your business. Now, they'll do all the work that this class teaches you, but they'll do it better and they'll do it full time, so their results will be better than you'll get most likely. Because they're professionals, they have experience, and it's their sole focus, whereas you have to run your whole business. The only thing is, of course, they're expensive. What they will do is they will leverage existing media relationships, maybe with television stations, radio, you name it, magazines, and they will create new relationships that are a good fit for the kind of audience that your business has. The problem is that if you want to hire a full-blown agency, it's $5,000 to $10,000 a month. So right away, if you're on day one, you can't afford this most likely. At least most people can't. And a publicist, which is essentially the same thing, but maybe an individual working on their own who has maybe experience working for a publicity agency and now is on their own, you can probably get them for $2,000 to $5,000 a month, which is still, for most businesses, if you're starting out, it's prohibitively expensive. So that's a tough thing to do, especially since it's likely that your other priorities are direct sales and you have to focus on that. So this might not even be your number one focus. But what they'll do is when you hire one of them, they'll go in, they'll reshuffle your brand message, they'll make it appealing, and they'll position it exactly to perfectly fit the media opportunities that are maybe television, maybe radio, some really, really big places where you can get promoted. So at the end of the day, really what you get is a well-connected expert who already has a lot of incredible relationships, or a whole company that has a lot of incredible relationships that may go back years. So they work together well, and for them it might be easy to get you those media spots where if it was you doing this, you're starting from zero. So not only will you get a well-connected expert doing this for you who's very well experienced, but they'll also be able to devote more time to this because you just don't have the time that they'll be able to devote to it. So they will get you better results, but it's expensive.